Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to share my YouTube TV with my family. First, sign in to YouTube TV using your Google account on a computer or mobile device. Next, click your profile picture, then go to Settings and Family Sharing. Now, select Manage, then choose Get Started to begin setting up your family group. Create a Google Family group by following the on-screen instructions. Next, enter the email addresses of up to 5 family members you want to invite. Then send the invitations, and your family members will receive an email to join. Each member must accept the invitation and confirm they live in the same household. Once accepted, they can sign into YouTube TV with their own Google accounts. Each family member gets their own profile, DVR, and personalized recommendations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.